whose behest? किसके कहने पर तुमने मेरा पेन छुआ? At whose behest did you touch my pen? किसके कहने पर तुमने उससे बात की? At whose behest did you talk to him? किसके कहने पर तुमने मेरा खाना बनाया? At whose behest did you cook my food? किसके कहने पर तुमने मेरे कपड़े पहने? At whose behest did you wear my clothes? किसके कहने पर तुम वहाँ गई? At whose behest did you go there? किसके कहने पर तुमने मेरी किताब छुई? At whose behest did you touch my book? किसके कहने पर तुमने उसे पढ़ाया? At whose behest did you teach him? किसके कहने पर तुम उससे मिली? At whose behest did you meet him? किसके कहने पर तुम उसके साथ मंदिर गई? At whose behest did you go to temple with him? किसके कहने पर तुमने उसे पीटा? At whose behest did you beat him? किसके कहने पर तुमने उसे पिटवाया? At whose behest did you get him beaten? किसके कहने पर तुमने उसे चाय बनवाई? At whose behest did you make him make the tea?
There is one idiom, to twist someone's arm. It means to persuade or convince somebody to do something that they don't want to do. So, for instance, I didn't want to go there, but my parents twisted my arm. I think you must have understood. So, like, subscribe, and share.
At someone's behest, it means किसी के कहने पर. उसने अपनी मम्मी के कहने पर मुझसे बात की. She talked to me at her mother's behest. उसने अपनी बहन के कहने पर मुझे किताबें दी. She gave me books at her sister's behest. उसने अपने भाई के कहने पर मुझसे मिली. She met me at her brother's behest. उसने अपने पापा के कहने पर मुझे पैसे दिए. He gave me money at his father's behest. उसने मेरे कहने पर तुमसे बात की. He talked to you at my behest. And किसी के कहने पर मेरी चीज़ें मत छुओ. Don't touch my thing at someone's behest. I think you must have understood. So like, subscribe, and share.
There is one idiom, at the drop of a hat. It means doing something immediately without any hesitation. So, for instance, they were ready to leave for the trip at the drop of a hat. If you need help, just ask me. I would help you at the drop of a hat. I will quit this job at the drop of a hat if I didn't have to support my family. I think you must have understood. So, like, subscribe, and share.